What is a group? Many of us have a general understanding of what it means to be part of a group, but scholars don't always agree. For our purposes, a group is defined as two or more people who are connected by social ties. Some of these social ties or relationships are weak, while others are strong. Members of some groups interact frequently, while members of other groups interact only occasionally. Groups also vary in purpose, size, structure, and roles, among many other qualities. Of course, these differences across groups add to the complexity of group dynamics. These videos will help you in group situations, but groups are too complicated to be predictable with 100% accuracy. So why do we join groups? Scholars have been trying to answer this question for decades. In general, we join groups for a variety of reasons: to accomplish more than we could accomplish alone, to fulfill a need to belong to groups, and to gain a sense of personal and social identity. In organizations, we rely on groups to perform a task when it requires skills and resources beyond the skills and resources of a single person, or when it is so complex that a single person could not possibly complete it alone. We also use groups when an individual's poor performance might be catastrophic. Scholars have identified different types of groups and various characteristics that help us identify groups from non-groups. We'll consider some of these types and their characteristics next. Later, we'll learn more about teams and what makes them different from groups.